Hi everybody, Tucker here from Rhino Networks. Welcome to the third video in our open box series. Today we have one of the newest Meraki access points, the CW9164I. This is a tri-band Wi-Fi 6E access point. Let's see what's in the box. All right, let's take a look at this access point. So the CW9164I is a Catalyst access point that is designed to work inside the Meraki dashboard. If you order the one with -MR at the end of the SKU, that one comes ready to go to work inside the dashboard. And you'll add it just like any other Meraki access point using either the serial number or your order number inside the dashboard to get this added. I got a nice little mounting instructions here. Looking at the access point, got our status light right here on the top. Obviously this is designed for ceiling mounting, so that's going to be facing down towards you. Get this out. It's got a little bit of heft to it. Definitely feels solid access point here. Take a look, what do we got? So yeah, we got here's going to be your input, 2.5 gig port, and then your power adapter option, a reset button. This is a local management port, so if you're using this as a Catalyst access point, that'll be where you do local management. As a Meraki access point, all your management actually is going to be inside the Meraki dashboard. Take a look under here, will be the mounting plate. Yep, we got mounting plate and T-rail adapters here, screw kit, everything you need to get this thing mounted up. A couple of quick specifications on this model. So this is the latest and greatest. If you're looking for an access point to future-proof your network, this is a tri-band model, so it does have the new 6 gigahertz band. Important to note though, out of the box, this will come default on the 2.4 and 5 gigahertz band. That second radio, it's a 4x4 flex radio, can be toggled either between 5 gigahertz or 6 gigahertz, and then you've got a 2x2 2.4 radio, as well as your third scanning radio for tracking and location tracking. All in all, very, very solid piece. Very excited to get this lit up inside my network and see what it can do. Thanks so much for joining me, and tune in next time for our next open box.